In this video, we will learn how to put the flash on iPhone when you get a text message. So let's begin.
So to put the flash on or LED flash on whenever you get a text message on iPhone, what you need to do is just go and tap on settings. So here we are in settings. Now scroll down below and go to accessibility. So in older versions of iOS, you might not find accessibility here. So you might need to search here like accessibility. So you can see the accessibility is here. So just go and open the accessibility. Here we are. And in the accessibility, you need to scroll down below, and here you need, under the hearing, just go and tap on audio visual, and at the bottom you can see visual LED flash for alerts. Just go and turn it on. So it says use LED flash for alerts when the ring switch is set to silent. So whenever the phone is on silent and you want to have this flash still on, just go and turn the second option on, flash on silent. So now whenever there is a notification or a text, the flash would turn on and you would be able to have that. So hope it has helped you in turning on the flash whenever you get a text message on iPhone. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank